So I have 2.5 cups of flour here in my little sifter. I'm going to add, this is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to sift these together. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to cream the peanut butter, the butter, and the shortening together and get it fluffy. Next, I'm going to add in the sugar. Mix this for about a minute or so. This is how creamy it should look. Now we're going to add our eggs. We're going to mix those. All right, I've got that incorporated. This is a teaspoon of vanilla. And I set this all up like this when I'm doing a video because it saves time. But I can also tell you when you're cooking at home, if you measure out your ingredients and have everything right there, it'll be easier for you also. This only takes maybe 5 minutes total to mix all this up. The next thing we're going to do is incorporate the flour. We already have it mixed up, and I'm going to add just a little bit at a time. We'll mix this, and we'll get this started. And we just keep adding it until it's all at the end. Keep mixing. Okay, so I'm finished mixing in my flour. I have my cookie sheets with some parchment paper on it, and it said lightly greased, so I sprayed it with a little bit of cooking spray. I have a cookie scoop or a scoop that I use. If you don't have one of these, you would just round them out in balls.